have here a 2x2 rib pattern, and if you want to bind off and follow that pattern, it's actually really simple, and I'll show you how. So my first 2 stitches are knit stitches, so we're going to start this just like a normal cast off by knitting the first 2. And we'll pass that first one over the second one, just like normal. And now we've reached a purl stitch, so we move our yarn to the front, purl 1 stitch, and bring the first stitch over and drop it off. And we have another purl stitch, so we purl that one. You can probably see where this is going. Drop it off, and then back to knit. And of course, this can work for any rib pattern. So you have a 1x1 rib pattern, you just switch knit, purl, knit, purl. So this is what it's going to look like when it's all done. You can see that it follows the rib pattern a little bit better than, say, just kind of like your classic cast off. And I do think that there are prettier options for casting off in rib, but this one is going to be the simplest.